You are not alone. I have also gone through stress because of family problems. Mahirap minsan, parang gusto ko na lang itago lahat, pero mas lalong bumibigat. I learned that letting my feelings out, whether by talking, open up, or asking for help, brings us such relief. Hindi madali, pero mas gumagaan kapag may nakikinig at umunawa. Ako si Asmira, naniniwala ako kahit may problema sa pamilya, kaya itong lampasan kapag may lakas ng loob at pag-asa. Kung ako kinaya, kaya mo rin, sama-sama tayo lalaban.